Hi there, I'm JT. Yeah, I'm a dumpster. And sure, some people say I'm full of it, but hear me out. Okay, I just want to talk to you about your junk. Whoa, sorry. That came out wrong. Listen, I promise no more trash talk. I just want to talk to you, about your trash. You see, at JTR Dumpster Services, we just love the stuff, and we'll make hauling it away much easier. Whether you're a homeowner, a contractor, a property manager, or a roofer, we'll get you a dumpster in a jiffy, often the same day you request it. And when it's all loaded up, just let us know. We'll be right there to take it away. Responsibly, of course. I know, most people think that there's really nothing special about dumpsters, but I'm telling you, we are the Cadillac of dumpsters. Our dumpsters are driveway friendly, lightweight, and narrow, so we can fit bins into spots that our competitors can't. This means that your job site is safer and your work goes quicker, saving you time and money. So give us a call for a free, no-obligation quote. JTR Dumpster Services. We put the was in waste. Get it? Because we remove it, right? So it was there, was, waste, first three letters. All right, never mind. Just give us a call, okay?